Here at Houston Motorsports Park Street Night with the Bullet and Mr. Solomon. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing good. I'm alive. I'm alive.
You're alive?
I'm alive.
Well, I mean, the tires haven't seen action in like 4 months, so they're probably like hazing some crap off of them, probably paint. So, well, I think we should leave it alone, let it cool down, go hit it again, same level. It felt good. Yeah. So when I lit the tires up, it actually shifted to third. Yeah, instantly because I hit the limiter. All right. I let out.
Oh, you let out? Looks like you let out the top end.
I let out of it a couple times.
Yeah. It didn't shift though, right? It looked like it actually stayed in.
I
never shifted.
I let out. I don't remember if I think it's stuck, but then it like pays them off. Is that what it was, right? And then it headed towards the wall, so I lifted, corrected, and then went out, and then I went to left a little too much, so I just aborted. We're looking at the data. One of the things that's kind of annoying right now is the Holley is registering that it's only leaving on 3 pounds of boost. 3 pounds. Even though we're targeting 9, it doesn't want to leave past 3 pounds. I don't know. We'll see. Hit another pass, see what it does, and go from there. Yeah. Oh, look who decided to show up. Hayden came out of nowhere to join the party, and then this guy right here out of nowhere also decided to join the party.
Like 50
turn the car off, will you? Just hit that left fog light button.
Yeah, don't start it like I did last time.
Yeah, it just starts it. It's running and
oh my god, this engine bay is so ugly compared to mine. I'm just saying. Let me walk off.
I'm pretty sure it's like the same thing. Actually.
No, it's not. Baby bullet. My buddy HL, he's like this small and the size of this beer can. He has the Bullet twin turbo kit as his screensaver.
Does he?
I swear to you,
on his
dude.
phone or what?
Yes. He was showing me a picture and I was like, HO, erase that shit off your phone right now. He goes, what, man, I'm really proud of that. I said, are you proud of the car? Are you proud of the craftsmanship that you put into the car? He goes, it's kind of the craftsmanship, not the car.
I feel like you're lying right there. That's
I kind of added that one.
That's a little bit of Andy in there.
Yeah, I added a little sour cream to the tacos on that one, but yeah. At your power level, I think the bug is at your power level.
The bug, God.
But it might 60-foot you. But you gotta tree him, okay? You gotta like get on there, okay?
Did you 6-foot that time?
You're
1.8?
oh my God. What happened to you?
That's just blow the tires.
Did he take his pills?
Did
you take your pills?
It might need new tires.
Did you take your Adderall?
Do a big ass burnout.
Because he took his Adderall because he hit the wall, you know? He's still a little depressed.
Alright, well, we're trying to figure this thing out, but we for sure can't get this car to hook tonight, so I'm not sure. The settings are the same in the rear suspension, so I don't think that's it. We loosened the front a little bit to try to see, because I had it pretty tight. That didn't really make a difference. So the only thing I can think of is either two things. Either the prep out here tonight is just horrible because it is street night. I'm going behind a bunch of trucks with mud tires and all kinds of street stuff. Or number two, the tire on this thing is shot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to figure out this trans brake boost pressure thing. But we're gonna come out not this Sunday night, but next Sunday night when it's more of an outlaw night where they prep the track really well and see what happens. See if we can hook then. If we can hook then that problem's solved and we'll move on to the next. But if not, then I gotta change this tire out and try and start over basically. So that's where we're at. Not bad night. I mean, was the ET there? No. Were we trying to get ET? No. We were trying to get 60 foot, which we didn't meet. But at the very least, we mile per hour really good. And mile per hour 129, and we were only at 15 pounds through the run. So I think that's successful. We'll get that data, and we'll adjust from there. So now we're gonna end the video here and get to work. So we came to a determination that this regulator was not putting out enough pressure to really do anything on the gates. So what we noticed is that the car wouldn't get over past 3.7 pounds on the trans brake, off and on the CO2. It's got 4-pound springs in it, so that makes sense. So basically we took the CO2 line off the wastegate, put our finger to it and opened the bottle, went wide open throttle and activated it, and it was barely anything coming out of there. But that doesn't help our traction issue because we were only leaving at 3 and still not getting any traction. So we've got some work to do in the suspension, probably tires set up, and try again on the next outing. So that's all we can do for now. Leave you here and we're gonna get to work. That's cool, man. See you around.
That was ballsy. I like that.
Hey, make sure you subscribe. I'll put you in here.
It was a race or something.
Alex.
That truck's a race.
I'm stuck. Sorry. I'm stuck. What'd you bring to H&P, bro?
Ooh.
You wanna tell us about your setup?
Y'all thought I'm stock was fast.
Do you have like nitrous or something?
No, I've never needed it, you know.
Okay. So is this faster than your blue car? Because your blue car was pretty slow.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
We'll see how it goes.